Ever wished for using Photoshop for editing your photos but cannot use it because of the lower configuration of your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you a trick through which you can enjoy almost all the features of Photoshop. And the best part is, it is free. I will request you all to watch this video till the end so that you can understand each and every step. What's up guys, you are watching Technicarena. Without any further ado, let's get started. Let's fire up the browser and visit photopea.com. Going to the website, you will be greeted with an interface which is almost similar to Photoshop. There are almost all the tools that are included in the Photoshop. It also features the layers, which are the crucial feature of the Photoshop. Now let's take a tour of photopea.com. So that's it for today guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have liked the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to follow me on other social networks, especially on Instagram, where I post some interesting stuffs. I'll be back with another interesting video. Signing off, peace.